everyone, welcome to my channel. It's about time. I'm gonna give you some tips today on how to stop your shoes from squeaking. So have you ever had like a nice pair of shoes that you really want to wear but they squeak, so you either don't wear them and leave them in your closet or try to wear them outside only when there's lots of noise, so it disguises the squeak, or when you're trying to wear them in your office and you're tiptoeing around your office mate because it's so embarrassing and you don't want them to hear your squeaky shoes? So I have a solution for you. So I have a couple pairs of shoes that I wanted to wear and they squeak, and I looked all over the internet to find a way to stop them from squeaking. I found some stuff like put baking soda on the crease and stuff, and that never worked. So today I'm going to show you an easy way that you can do anywhere at home before you leave the house, or even at the office if you don't realize that you have on the pair of shoes that squeak. So this is my shoe closet, and so I have these pairs of shoes that my sister gave them to me, and at first I thought that only cheap shoes squeak, but that's not true, because these are real leather shoes, but they do squeak, and so this is how you stop them from squeaking. So you just take a piece of paper towel. You can find this anywhere in your office kitchen, or before you leave the house you could do this trick. So you just need a small piece like this, and then you rip this in half, fold that in half, and just tuck it in here at the front part of your shoes, because I realized that the squeak is not from the side or the seams or anything like that. It's actually your toes rubbing against the leather at the front. So you just tuck it in nicely, and then you just slide your feet in, and same thing on the other side. There you go. No one will even see that you have a little bit of paper towel in there, and I swear if you do this trick, your shoes will not squeak. So please try it, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See ya.